I said this beat is hot like what you saw on the terminal. Alright, so we're gonna walk through this beat. Though I've not finished with this beat, I'm gonna change some of the tones, some instruments, and at the end I will come back, give you the final project. But before I do that, I want to walk you through how I made this hot Afrobeat. Alright, so now first thing first, what I'm gonna do is to walk you through. Alright, I started with this melody here. Alright, and I use FL keys, that's the grand piano. Super simple. Let's listen to that. As you can hear, some of the notes are not on time, but don't worry, everything will sound better as we proceed. So right from there, I just made a duplicate. Alright, I copied it, then pasted it over here, and I'm using a span 2 electric piano, sweet E pianos. Alright, and this is how it also sounds. That's super simple. Alright, and I also copied it, then pasted it over here. I was using strings. You can get this one from a span 2. Alright, that's my preset that I'm using. This is how it also sounds. All that I was doing was layering the instruments with different instruments so that I can get the vibe that I want. Alright, so that's crazy, and what I did was to control some of the velocities of individual notes. I wanted everything to sound realistic. Alright, that's pretty simple. Sorry, the BPM was 116. Alright, the next thing I did was I introduced this marimba sound. Let's listen to that. So that's pretty simple. Nothing had been mixed over here. Subscribe to the channel because in the next coming video we're gonna mix this particular beat. And next thing I did was I added this faithful high powered vocals from Expand. I use Expand throughout this project. Let's listen to this. That's super simple. Then next thing I introduce the bass, and I'm using Expand. As you know, bass, 4-finger bass. Let's listen to the bass. I wanted the bass to be simple, nothing crazy. Alright, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. So right after that, guys, I started adding the drums, and this was my kick. Alright, the kick alone goes like this. Everything was simple. Then I came in with this clap. That's pretty simple. Next, I introduce this peg over here, and it comes in once. What I'm gonna tell you is to make your drums simple. If you wanna know the secret to create interesting drums, then watch the video that will pop up on the screen. Alright. So after that, I added this rim shot, and I actually like this rim shot. Let's go to the piano roll. It comes in here. Guys, can you hear? That's pretty simple. Subscribe, let me know where you are watching me from. Next thing I added was this. Alright, and I wanted to add groove to the drums. So let me solo that one alone. Alright, super simple. Alright, so right from there I was cool and I decided to arrange the beat. So let's go to the playlist. It's super simple. Change it to song. I started with this. And this was a drum fill. Let's listen to the drum fill alone. It comes in once in a while. Super simple, guys. So let's listen. Comment, let me know where you are watching me from. Give the video a like if it helps you. Alright guys, so at this point I changed the tones, the instrument, and I went for bright pad. Let's listen to that alone. It was simple. Everything is coming from expand. Listen to this. Crazy. This beat is just copy and paste. If you want to know how to make Afrobeat simple, just follow what I teach you. Alright, and we're gonna make this beat in the next coming videos. So let's continue. I changed it over here. Let me change the color. That's super simple. Let me know what you think about this particular beat in the comment section. If this video helps you, make sure you give it a like. Now that you know this, watch the next video to know the secret, the tricks to make your beat more interesting if you're a beginner. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.